Yeah, welcome to my channel. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, yeah, welcome to my channel. If today is the first time you're just watching my video, thank you very much, and try to subscribe so that any video where I share at all, you'll be the first person to see. I want to use this opportunity. I beg now, they beg now, say make no verse, say I never come online since. I want to use this opportunity to say all my fans, where they call me, they ask me, say how far, say I never come online, make no verse, I beg. And I will get waiting happen, we make never come online. But I beg, I beg now, so it just be. Without no wasting time, another news we hot. The news we are carry on today. Congratulations. I just the happy. All the news are just the happy. Without no wasting time, we will go straight now. We will talk the news we will carry on. Wait be that. Giuseppe Conte, Italian Prime Minister. Where did they call? I don't know his name. Giuseppe Conte. He don't rush. He don't shout command. Wait till he talk. He say now, say people don't they shout, me, why? Say people don't they shout, say the difference house, and I know I see the matter just be. Wait till he talk now for how you go take, you know, say as everywhere just locked down for Italy now, person no fit come out. Even good shit now he had. You know if you come out for. At the thing you see today, I see one where police catch because say you no can't get auto certificate. They say me sit down for ground for Mosa. I even surprised. This thing is hot, but me will not go that side. Me will talk the reason why we dey here now. Concerning how they go take unlock us, me will come out for road. Me will still dey take breeze. He say na 4th of May, which is next month May. Now he say they go open now. Where we say people go fit come out. But my happiness be say me I join. I don't know whether you join. Me I join. How you take talk am? He say all companies they go open. Because not everybody go open. You get the one where you see closer. You know, say no being closer because of the coronavirus. Now you closer more. Make you know the reason say na the man now closer. Get the place, get the side where still closer, see close. He say all the industry go open that day, and all the ancient which is old woman they go carry them come out, make they come still take breeze. See where me come join now. We will be Bombino. We be small picking. You see they go carry small picking come out. We will be Bombino now. You know, see now we be small picking where they talk. When should they mention Bombino? For people when they hear the language, Bombino na small picking baby. We will be baby will join. That day baby like us will come out. You will be adult. I'm not sure say whether you will come out, but me will be small picking I will come out. So it take talk. But you see all the negotiations, all the shop, they go still close as they close 3 days till the half of the month before they go look inside the matter. May they first know as the pandemic just they go. But we hope see with the pray say as they just they recover, so may God just do and say may they just recover like that. Now I be waiting they wish them. Now I be the happiness. Say may they just recover so that everybody will come out, freedom will come there as the first day. So the news just be. As I hear that news, I say this one, congratulations. Say as the man talk, I don't know what will they pass through. Even my ways, I don't know where I go start. All my friends now, all of them they shout Shabani for inside house. Food if I dey eat, now my mouth they bitter. Because I don't live for one place. Now so that one be. I can't get another news. Without no wasting time. You get another news we be say that one it shock me. Now this one now it make happiness just from my mind. With that thing where they shout since. The woman where they call Luciana Lamborghese we be saying Italian terror minister. Minister, I don't know the woman where they talk. That woman we like immigrants, we like foreigners. You know they separate. That woman don't talk. You don't talk come out now concerning this issue where that woman talk, that the Minister of Agriculture concerning how they will take share sanitary documents. That woman don't come out. Wait till she talk. She say concerning that issue now, he say the document where they talk. Say himself say he don't hear waiting that woman talk. For this thing where they talk now, making a move say I supposed to, but I supposed to show na the video now, but this video I go upload am so that I go still watch am. If you watch this video, after this video now, I will just go upload am so that you will still watch the video where she talk am. She say they don't hear wetin the woman talk. Say the woman say na 600,000 people na be the immigrant, but you know sure say na 600,000 people na be the people where they do the agricultural, where they say they do an error, where without a document. But according to what she talk now, she say they go try. Say that they talk about the issue now. Say that they talk about the issue, but they never conclude them because of this coronavirus. Say they go do them, but what they go do now be say concerning this issue now. Say Questura and the Policia, will be police. Say all of them now they know the people where they do the work. Say they go here. Now them go conclude everything. They will come know. You know, see as that woman, that Minister of Agriculture, as the woman talking, now know as the matter be. Now know that person we always they kick immigrant, we always they slap it. Anytime we hear immigrant issue, now know as it they talk. That woman say may they give immigrant document. Say may they give all the people where they do farm work. The people where they do farm work like us. Now we they talk. No. Okay. See me they give them documents. Say that work easy. See me they share document for them. Now as this woman talk and finish, Salvini will first be Italian Internal Minister come out, come say no. Say they no will give them. They no need to share document. It's better say that work make Italian people do and so that they will do autonomy. They will do the soccopato. They collect money. Now I don't see them. That is occupied. If you black, you do that is occupied, they give them that money. If bad, if they do all those things, if you black, you collect that is occupied on that money. We be say if they work, you know, say if they do a Greek work, they always they give contract of 1 year. Once that contract don't end for a year, if you go do this occupied, they will come give you small money. We be say depend if you get family dispenser where they do, you will still collect them from inside. No, no talk go that side because the day we will talk and we will talk that one is separate. That just puts more maths more for people who don't understand that. Now so the issue just be the woman now don't talk concerning the issue. Say after this coronavirus, say they go share the document, they will give the document. But no be 600,000 papers the woman talker. Say no be like that, but they go share the document. Say the police and the questora go bring the list of the people where they need to share the document. Now so the news just be as I hear the news, I know say that one they very very important. I say me I bring am for now. Make una no vex and never hear from me. Now still be a boy African Freedom TV. Please try to subscribe and try to share this video. I beg. Try to share and so that other of our friends, other of our brothers, they will still know. Because some people maybe the day where they know feel they hear, but now be friend for Facebook. Once you share and now. They can't watch and you go still know what they go on. You go still know. Say they want to share. Maybe they do the fan work now. If be a friend for Facebook, if they get small time till they watch something for Facebook, but you know see this, they don't know say they want to share. As you share, it's still safe. Some people don't know the day where they say May people come out. As 4th of May, small if you come out. But you know you see now old people and the small picking and the industry companies now then go feel open that day. The rest say not till half of the month. So you be. Now so you see the news now. I say make I just bring out for now. Thank you very much as always they follow me. You still be a boy. African Freedom TV. Good night and have a nice dream. Bye.